figure out what we want to do. I was saying we either want to go to Rita's or we want to go to the thing. But we gonna figure it out. Yeah. We did do our hair. Let me, well, we did our edges. I'm talking about we did our hair. Like, we did our fucking edges. We did our hair, y'all. This shit been in. This shit's that new.
She's funny as hell.
Let me see, I did mine. Oh no! Messed up because I had to put a scarf. So now I have like a little line on my forehead. But don't mind that.
Meanwhile.
Y'all, so we got our ice cream. It ain't trying to focus. Hold on.
Cooking cream? Yeah, we got fudge inside here. I don't know if
got fudge inside here. Period. You like your ice cream?
Yeah.
So what flavor did you get?
I got what I get? I got peach green and I got ice cream. I mean orange ice.
Something.
Ever had a dream that you could
Got it. I got some fudge here, y'all. Let's look at this volume.
And y'all, I got peach ring. Y'all, it's raining. Let me show y'all. Boom. And y'all, I got peach ring and I got blue.
I want some. Take a bite.
Y'all, she turning it up. Yeah, we're waiting on her food. Let me show y'all what this looks like. Got some nice plants, nice seating. Got the little menu. And she back there getting it. This nice little plant.
Yo, this is something different. Ever come bring out here to Rita.
Y'all stir that shit up. I got to the blue. It's getting good.
It's getting good, y'all heard that? See the time, y'all?
I ain't even gonna capture y'all. It's the best motherfucking thing on the morning.
Meanwhile.
This is the food. Little quickie stop spot, huh? We gonna let y'all know when we get back, right? Y'all, we made it back. But now we just about to chill, watch TV, eat our food. If y'all like this video, give it a like, share it, comment, and let us know what other videos y'all want to see. I be telling her we gotta do pranks and stuff more and get it cracking, you know? We'll make it there eventually. We got better quality now, so.